Today, we're diving into an increasingly important topic that's affecting millions across the United States: kidney health. Recent statistics have shown a concerning rise in kidney-related issues, including chronic kidney disease, CKD, kidney stones, and other renal complications. Why is this happening? Factors such as high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, and lifestyle choices like poor diet and insufficient physical activity are major contributors. Our kidneys are vital organs, responsible for filtering waste from our blood, balancing body fluids, and playing a key role in other essential bodily functions. Given their importance, it's crucial that we take steps to protect them. Eating the right foods can significantly enhance your kidney health by helping to cleanse and detox your kidneys naturally. These beneficial foods can aid in preventing kidney stones, reducing inflammation, and protecting against oxidative stress, which is a precursor to many kidney diseases. In this video, we'll uncover 10 incredible foods that can bolster your kidney health. By incorporating these foods into your daily routine, you might be surprised at how much your kidney function can improve. Let's dive in and explore these kidney-friendly foods that can make a real difference in your overall health and well-being. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic isn't just a spice that enhances the flavor of your meals, it's also a powerhouse for kidney health. The key component in garlic is allicin, a sulfur-containing compound released when garlic is chopped or crushed. Allicin is responsible for garlic's unique aroma and possesses potent antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties, offering a shield for your kidneys against damage and infections. Research indicates allicin's potential for treating severe kidney conditions such as chronic kidney disease. It is observed to lower the blood levels of urea, nitrogen, and creatinine, substances usually filtered by the kidneys. Lower levels signify improved kidney function. Additionally, allicin boosts antioxidants like glutathione and superoxide dismutase in the body, defending the kidneys from oxidative stress, a precursor to various kidney diseases. Garlic also acts as a diuretic, enhancing urine production and the elimination of excess toxins and minerals, thereby helping to prevent kidney stones. To leverage these kidney-supporting benefits, consuming raw garlic cloves, especially on an empty stomach, is recommended for maximum allicin absorption. Alternatively, you can add chopped or crushed garlic to salads, sauces, or other dishes to enrich your meals with its health benefits. Keep in mind that cooking may diminish some of garlic's allicin content and effectiveness. For those who prefer not to eat fresh garlic, supplements with standardized allicin amounts offer another way to obtain its benefits. Number 2. Grapes. Grapes are more than just a tasty and refreshing fruit, they offer significant benefits for kidney health. One of the key components in grapes is resveratrol, a powerful plant compound found in the seeds and skins of grapes. Resveratrol is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antifibrotic properties, meaning it can help protect against kidney damage by reducing inflammation and preventing scarring. Research highlighted in applied physiology, nutrition, and metabolism shows that resveratrol can even reverse kidney damage in obese rats following a high-fat diet by normalizing copper levels in the kidneys. This finding suggests grapes could play a role in supporting kidney health in similar stress conditions in humans. Grapes also contain citric acid, a natural substance that aids in preventing the formation of kidney stones. This benefit comes from citric acid's ability to bind with calcium, which can decrease the risk of calcium stones developing in the kidneys. Another crucial advantage of grapes for kidney health is their potential to lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney failure because it can damage the kidney's blood vessels, hindering their ability to function properly. Number 3. Watermelon. Watermelon isn't just a delicious and refreshing fruit, it's also packed with benefits for your kidneys, primarily through its hydrating power. Boasting a water content of about 92%, watermelon naturally increases urine production, aiding in the elimination of waste products from the kidneys. This natural diuretic effect helps keep the kidneys clean and functioning properly. Additionally, watermelon contains potassium, a vital mineral that plays a key role in maintaining electrolyte balance within the body. Potassium helps counteract the effects of sodium, reducing salt retention. excessive salt in the body can lead to swelling and put unnecessary pressure on the kidneys, so consuming potassium-rich foods like watermelon can support kidney health by preventing these adverse effects. Another significant compound found in watermelon is lycopene, a potent antioxidant that not only gives watermelon its vibrant red color but also offers protection against kidney cancer. Lycopene's antioxidant properties help defend the body's cells against damage from free radicals, which can lead to cancer and other diseases. Number 4. Cabbage. Cabbage, a member of the cruciferous vegetable family, offers significant benefits for kidney health. Its nutritional profile is enriched with anthocyanins, the plant pigments responsible for giving red cabbage its vibrant reddish-purple color. These compounds are not just for show, they possess potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory capabilities that contribute to the protection against heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. A notable study has shown that diets rich in anthocyanins can decrease the risk of chronic kidney disease by 29%, highlighting the importance of including such foods in your diet for kidney health. Moreover, cabbage is an excellent source of vitamin C, a well-known antioxidant that plays a crucial role in immune system support and in minimizing cellular damage from free radicals. Vitamin C's effectiveness extends to enhancing the production of glutathione, a critical detoxifier in the body, which aids the kidneys in flushing out toxins. Cabbage is versatile in the kitchen, easily incorporated into your diet, whether you prefer it raw in salads or coleslaw, or cooked in soups, stews, or stir-fries. This accessibility makes it a simple yet powerful addition to meals, supporting not just kidney health but overall well-being. Number 5. Apples. Apples are highly beneficial for maintaining kidney health, thanks to their rich composition of antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C. These nutrients offer a triple threat against oxidative stress, inflammation, and infections that can harm the kidneys. The presence of pectin, a type of soluble fiber in apples, plays a crucial role in lowering cholesterol and blood sugar levels, key factors in the prevention of kidney disease. Pectin also helps in detoxifying the body by binding to toxins in the digestive tract, preventing them from causing harm to the kidneys. Additionally, the high water content and low sodium levels in apples are ideal for promoting the elimination of excess fluids and salts from the body. This not only helps reduce the strain on your kidneys but also supports overall fluid balance and kidney function. Research supports the kidney protective benefits of apples. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2013 highlighted a correlation between apple consumption and a reduced risk of chronic kidney disease among women. Furthermore, a 2017 study in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that eating apples was associated with a lower mortality rate among patients with chronic kidney disease. For optimal benefits, incorporating at least one medium-sized apple into your daily diet is recommended, with the skin on to maximize the intake of antioxidants and fiber. Number 6. Olive oil. Olive oil is renowned for its health benefits, particularly when it comes to heart and kidney health. As a source of healthy fats, olive oil can significantly improve cardiovascular health and aid in lowering blood pressure. Managing blood pressure is crucial because high blood pressure is a leading risk factor for kidney disease. By keeping blood pressure in check, olive oil helps protect the kidneys from potential damage. One of the key components of olive oil is oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid known for its ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress within the kidneys. These properties are vital for maintaining kidney health, as both inflammation and oxidative stress can lead to kidney damage over time. Furthermore, olive oil is rich in polyphenol. These plant compounds are celebrated for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, offering additional protection for the kidneys and overall health. Incorporating olive oil into your diet is simple and versatile. It can be used as a salad dressing, for cooking, or as a finishing drizzle over various dishes to enhance flavor while providing health benefits. Number 7. Blueberries. Blueberries stand out as a nutritious fruit that is especially beneficial for kidney health. They are packed with powerful antioxidants known as anthocyanins, which not only give blueberries their vibrant blue hue but also play a crucial role in combating oxidative stress. This type of stress can harm the cells and tissues in the kidneys, potentially leading to chronic kidney disease. Beyond their antioxidant capabilities, blueberries offer anti-inflammatory benefits and can contribute to lowering blood pressure. Both of these properties are essential for maintaining healthy kidneys. High blood pressure, in particular, can be detrimental to kidney function over time, so managing it is crucial for kidney health. Research underscores the value of blueberries for the kidneys. One study highlighted a significant association between blueberry consumption and reduced levels of urinary albumin, a key indicator of kidney damage. This finding suggests that regular intake of blueberries may help protect the kidneys from harm. Number 8. Lemons. Lemons, those bright citrus fruits, are surprisingly good at helping prevent kidney stones. The secret lies in their citric acid content, which grabs calcium in your urine. This action stops calcium stones, the most frequent kind of kidney stones, from forming. These stones can be very painful and lead to serious health issues. Beyond preventing stones, lemons are rich in vitamin C. This vitamin strengthens your immune system and helps your body fight off infections. Research supports the use of lemon for kidney health. A study found that a simple regimen known as lemonade therapy, drinking a mix of 4 ounces of lemon juice with 2 liters of water daily, significantly cuts down the chances of calcium oxalate stones coming back. For a tasty way to enjoy these benefits, try adding a squeeze of lemon juice to your water or a lemon wedge to your tea. Number 9. Cranberries. Cranberries are famous for their urinary tract benefits but also support kidney health. They have a special ingredient, canic acid, that transforms into hippuric acid in our bodies. This hippuric acid helps remove extra uric acid, which, if left unchecked, can lead to kidney stones. Furthermore, cranberries are packed with substances that fight off inflammation and protect against cell damage, both of which are crucial for keeping kidneys healthy. Additionally, cranberries are excellent for preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, especially important for individuals with chronic kidney disease, as UTIs can exacerbate their condition. Cranberries work by stopping harmful bacteria from clinging to the walls of the urinary tract, thus preventing infections and potential kidney complications. Highlighting their effectiveness, a study showed that women who ate sweetened dried cranberries daily for 2 weeks had fewer UTIs compared to those who didn't. To enjoy these kidney and urinary tract benefits, incorporating fresh or dried cranberries into your diet or drinking unsweetened cranberry juice is recommended. Number 10. Seaweed. Seaweed, a kind of algae found in the ocean, is packed with nutrients beneficial for our health. It's especially rich in iodine, which is crucial for keeping our thyroid glands working correctly, which in turn helps regulate our metabolism. But there's more to seaweed than just iodine. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances, as well as polysaccharides, which are known to protect the kidneys from damage caused by diabetes. A study conducted in 2013 demonstrated this protective effect. When rats with diabetes were fed seaweed for 22 days, there was a significant reduction in damage to their kidneys and liver. This suggests seaweed could be a valuable dietary addition for managing diabetes and its complications. Seaweed also contains alginates, special compounds that latch onto heavy metals and toxins in our body, helping to flush them out. This detoxifying effect adds another layer to seaweed's health benefits. Incorporating seaweed into your diet is easy. It can be enjoyed as a crunchy snack, mixed into soups or salads for a nutritional boost, or used as a key ingredient in making sushi. It's clear that incorporating certain foods into your diet can naturally support and cleanse your kidneys, enhancing their function and helping to prevent various kidney-related issues. The foods discussed, cranberries, lemons, seaweed, garlic, grapes, blueberries, watermelon, olive oil, cabbage, and apples, each bring unique benefits to the table, from antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties to aiding in the elimination of toxins and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. However, it's crucial to remember that while these foods can contribute positively to kidney health, they should not replace professional medical advice or treatment. If you're experiencing kidney problems or have concerns about your kidney health, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. Now, we're eager to hear from you. Are any of these kidney-supporting foods part of your regular diet? Do you have any other go-to foods for kidney health that weren't mentioned? Your experiences and insights are valuable to us, and we invite you to share them in the comments below. Your feedback not only enriches our community's knowledge but also inspires others to take proactive steps toward better kidney health. Thank you for joining the video.